Alright, so this question reads, 5 people, Harry, Iris, Kate, Nancy, and Victor, are to be scheduled as contestants on a television show. One contestant per day, for 5 consecutive days, from Monday through Friday. The following restrictions governing the scheduling of contestants must be observed. Okay, so we have our variables. We've got Harry, Iris, Kate, Nancy, and Victor. We have to place them on 5 consecutive days from Monday through Friday. So we've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, so let's go ahead and read the rules. Rule number 1, Nancy is not scheduled for Monday. Okay, easy. Nancy's not on Monday. We can put that straight into our drawing. Alright, let's go to rule number 2. If Harry is scheduled for Monday, Nancy is scheduled for Friday. Alright. If Harry is scheduled on Monday, then Nancy is scheduled for Friday. So we have to write our contrapositive. If Nancy is not scheduled for Friday, we know that Harry is not scheduled for Monday. Alright, let's go to rule number 3. If Nancy is scheduled for Tuesday, Iris is scheduled for Monday. Okay, so we've got if Nancy is scheduled for Tuesday, then Iris is scheduled for Monday. Contrapositive, if Iris is not scheduled for Monday, then Nancy is not scheduled for Tuesday. One thing you should note is, let's look at rule number 2. We know in the contrapositive of rule number 2, we have Nancy not scheduled for Friday. Well, Nancy not scheduled for Friday, couldn't that also mean Nancy scheduled for Tuesday? Because Nancy not scheduled for Friday is Nancy on any day other than Friday. So Nancy on Tuesday is also Nancy not on Friday, meaning we can kind of combine them a little bit and show that Nancy on Tuesday is also going to lead to Harry not on Monday. Alright, just something to note. Okay, so let's go to rule number 4. We have Kate is scheduled for the next day after the day for which Victor is scheduled. So that's just a really convoluted way of saying that we have Victor, and then immediately after Victor we have Kate. I'm going to put a box around it. Alright, so we know from that since Victor is immediately before Kate, Kate cannot come on Monday, because then where would Victor go? Likewise, Victor can't be on Friday, because then where would Kate go? Alright, so now that we have our base and our rules and our deductions down, let's go ahead and go to question number 7.